It's like bird RP, you know?
Bird RP?
Where you're just like...
Whoo! Whoo, whoo, whoo! Oh, more realistic. Okay, okay.
Mama!
I don't think they say mama. I don't think
What
they
do
have
they
a
say?
concept. They just go like, ooh, ooh, and then they grow up, and they're like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, and then they just leave. Yeah.
I wish I knew how to make bird calls. Like, really badly.
Birds love me, actually.
Can you make bird calls?
Yeah.
I want to hear one.
Which one?
Any bird call you can do. I think any bird call would be impressive.
Ooh, that's a pigeon. Let me see. I gotta think of.
Which was that one?
That's a crow. They really like me.
I believe you. I remember seeing a bird while walking with you, and it's because of you that we saw that bird.
Yeah, birds actually like sit on my hand and everything because they love me.
Birds love her so much.
Yeah. I was just like, Yeah, I go to like a bird sanctuary and then I do the bird calling and they're like, oh, she's one of us. And then she, like she and whatever, they all come out to check me out. The Canadian geese, the crows, the seagulls. And the seagulls. Yes. And then the geese are like, ha, 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 ha. And then they start coming towards me. And then the seagulls are like, and then they start coming towards me. And I'm like, oh, I feel so seen.
There are a lot of birds.
I
You know a lot of birds.
I do know a lot of birds. I love birds. Ooh.
I get it. If I was a bird, I would also sit on you.
What does that mean?
If I was a bird, I would come over and sit on you.
Well, I would drop you.
Why? I like birds.
I like birds, but I feel like you would be a very, very rowdy bird.
A rowdy bird?
A very rowdy bird. Like, probably, pick the finger skins. And I would be in pain.
Bird because it's like a cute, or like it's an animal.
See, you don't even deny it. You don't even deny that you'd be a rowdy bird. What's happening? That's really good. Whoa, that's crazy.
Thank you.
That was so realistic. I thought they were really right there.